Unlock Deep Work Mode. Train your brain for 60 minutes of laser focus. What if I told you that your brain has a secret superpower hiding inside it right now? A power that can transform you from a scattered multitasker into a laser-focused learning machine in just 60 minutes. Welcome to the incredible world of deep work. And trust me, once you unlock this mental superpower, there's no going back. Here's the mind-blowing truth. Your brain is literally designed to focus intensely for extended periods. But here's the catch. We've accidentally trained it to crave distractions instead. Every notification ping, every social media scroll, every quick tab switch has been weakening your focus muscle. But the amazing news? You can rebuild it stronger than ever. Think of deep work as your brain's gym session. Just like you wouldn't expect to bench press 200 pounds on day one, you can't jump straight into marathon focus sessions. Start small and build up. Begin with 25-minute focused bursts, then gradually extend to 45 minutes and finally reach that golden 60-minute zone where the magic truly happens. The secret sauce lies in preparation. Create your focus fortress, a distraction-free zone that signals to your brain, it's time to get serious. Turn off notifications, grab some water, and choose one challenging task that excites you. Yes, excites you. Learning becomes addictive when you pick topics that genuinely spark your curiosity. Here's where it gets really cool. During deep work, your brain enters what scientists call a flow state. Time seems to disappear, problems become puzzles to solve, and learning transforms from a chore into an adventure. You'll experience that incredible rush when complex concepts suddenly click into place. The best part? Deep work is like compound interest for your brain. Each session makes the next one easier and more powerful. Within just 2 weeks of consistent practice, you'll notice your attention span expanding like a muscle getting stronger. Tasks that once felt overwhelming will become manageable challenges you're excited to tackle. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who refused to give up. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. Neuroplasticity means it's constantly rewiring itself based on how you use it. So why not wire it for deep, satisfying focus instead of scattered, surface-level thinking? Ready to unleash your inner learning machine? Your 60-minute deep work journey starts now. Pick that challenging topic you've been avoiding, set your timer, and prepare to be amazed by what your focused brain can accomplish.